Rab Goes to School. Rise and shine. Abdul Rab was ready for school. He put on his blue uniform, tied his shoes, and grabbed his backpack. "Grandpa, I'm ready," he called out cheerfully. His grandfather, Ubayd-ur-Rahman, walked into the room with a warm smile. "Well done, my brave boy. Come on, it's time for school." Abdul Rab and his grandpa stepped out of the house, hand in hand. The sun was shining, and the birds were chirping. It was a perfect day for school. Soon, they reached a busy road. The sound of cars was everywhere. "How will we cross the road now?" Abdul Rab asked, a little worried. Grandpa pointed to the zebra crossing. "Don't worry, Abdul Rab. We always use the zebra crossing. It's the safest way to cross the road." They waited until the traffic light turned red and the cars stopped. Grandpa looked down and said, "Let's go now." Grandpa held Abdul Rab's hand tightly, and they started walking on the zebra crossing together. 1, 2, 3. Step by step, they were crossing safely. Finally, they reached the school. The school gate was open, and other children were laughing and playing in the playground. "Enjoy your day, my child," Grandpa said, patting Abdul Rab's head affectionately. "Learn and play well." Abdul Rab waved goodbye to his grandpa and ran to join his friends. He was ready for another day of learning and fun.